Charlie Urban Stylez will now do a curved mohawk with a freestyle tribal design. Charlie will start off by using his wall clippers, clipper over comb technique, and curving out his mohawk. Making sure the mohawk begins to blend in with the sides. Charlie will now use his detachable blade 2 3/4 on his Oster 76ers in the beginning to blend the top of the sides with his curved mohawk. He will continue to cut right around the curved mohawk and making sure the sides blend in with the mohawk. Will be his canvas for his design and its fade. Charlie will now use his 2-guard open lever and continue to blend the sides with the mohawk, making sure it's a smooth transition. Charlie will now start his freestyle design by using his Andis edgers. Charlie will use the corner of his blade to create his tribal design. Always making sure he uses the back of his blade to get the sharpest lines possible. Now using his wall detailers, he will continue his freestyle design. Charlie will continue to create his freestyle design only using the corner of his blade. Now using his wall detailers, he will begin to lighten up around his design area. Charlie will continue to outline his edges and still creating his design. He will now use his wall clippers to blend the inside of his tribal design. Using his half guard to continue blending and fading the inside of his design. He will blend certain parts of his design and help giving it a more 3D effect. He will now continue to the other side of the curved Mohawk and continue his freestyle design. Notice how effortlessly he's using his detailers. Charlie will now begin to work on the inner parts of his freestyle design. Charlie will actually use the wall detailers to begin the blend right around his actual outlining of his design. Using this technique makes it a little easier to blend out some of these hard lines that were created with the wall detailers. Using his wall seniors, he will continue to blend around his design. He will continue to blend the inside of the design to give his tribal effect that much more emphasis. He will continue designing around the shape up to give the design that much more of an effect. Charlie would just go back now and do some finishing touches on his design. Charlie will now use a straight edge razor to detail the outline and the actual design of his tribal freestyle. Using the straight edge razor will help emphasize the design and give it a more clean and detailed look. And now for your final look, a curved mohawk with a freestyle tribal design by Urban Stylez.